Welcome to another AgGateway Global Network video. I'm Jim Wilson, President of AgGateway Global Network. In this video, Rod Connor from AgGateway Global Network will present an overview of AgGateway.
Thank you very much, Jim. Welcome to the AgGateway Latin America webinar series, everyone. This presentation discusses AgGateway Global Network's mission and goals for helping agribusinesses become more profitable, productive, and sustainable. The AgGateway approach has been very successful in North America over the past 12 years and is now being used in Europe. Japanese businesses are forming an organization that they hope will be operating in Asia by the end of the year. AgGateway Global Network is also working with Latin American agribusinesses to form an AgGateway Association for Latin America. Membership in AgGateway Latin America will help your company increase profitability, operate more efficiently, and help make your customers happy to do business with you. It will also give you an access to global project resources in Europe and North America, and will network you with other AgGateway members around the globe. AgGateway was created to help address the challenges that agribusinesses are dealing with today. To achieve food security, agriculture will need to produce more food with fewer resources and will need to better manage the food supply. As markets become more volatile and global supply chains continue to be streamlined, inventory management is more important than ever. Food safety and traceability are now business imperatives throughout the world. And to adequately address these challenges, customers and suppliers everywhere expect immediate, accurate information. Precision agriculture, sustainability, and better technology must be employed to help address these challenges. Establishing eAgriculture both regionally and globally is one of several critical elements for successfully addressing all the challenges. AgGateway's mission is to promote, enable, and expand eAgriculture. eAgriculture is the use of information and communication technologies to conduct business and support safe, efficient, and sustainable agriculture throughout all levels of the value chain. eAgriculture will help to produce more food with fewer resources through precision agriculture, sustainability, and better technology. AgGateway Global Network's role is to bring agribusinesses together in a non-competitive environment to address the challenges that the agriculture industry faces. Experts from those businesses then collaborate on standards and on guidelines for implementing those standards. Agreeing on standards benefits everyone is not a competitive advantage to any one company, although standards adoption serves as a foundation for building a competitive advantage. Agribusinesses that choose not to adopt the agreed upon standards put themselves at a competitive disadvantage. AgGateway accomplishes its goals by conducting projects that enable eAgriculture. Members join together to define common business processes, to adopt, adapt, or create standards where needed, and then conduct projects to implement the standards that were agreed upon. Depending on the size of the project, this process can take a few weeks, a few months, or for very large projects, even a year or more. The next 3 slides will give you an idea of some of the projects that have been done in North America and that could be valuable to Latin America as well. You will hear more about these in detail in webinars number 2 and 3. 4 connectivity projects have been completed in North America. These projects were carried out by 3 industry segments. The crop protection segment conducted projects in the US and Canada. the seed and crop nutrition segments did projects in the U.S. These projects provided electronic connectivity for invoices, shipping documents, inventory levels, product movement, and purchase orders. The improvements that you see listed on this slide, especially those in the area of inventory and business process improvement, resulted in hundreds of thousands of dollars in savings annually. Those savings occur year after year, and for the entire industry amount to millions of dollars. AgGateway members in North America have achieved significant financial benefits from participating in these projects. AgGateway members have also worked together and continue to work together to develop resources to address various field operations data requirements, including seeding, crop protection application, crop nutrient application, harvest, grain transport, and irrigation. The SPADE project created standards for field operations data. You can see in the diagram that standard electronic documents for crop planning, work orders, work records, and observations and measurements were created in this project. A farmer that uses a computer system to manage his operation can use these standards to communicate with a variety of different machines, both to send data to the machines and to receive data from the machines. The project also provided standards for these documents to be exchanged with other computer systems that use the standard. In the same way that SPADE was about communication with tractors, combines, and other equipment used in field operations, the PAIL project focused on irrigation. Effective water management is a crucial agricultural practice today and will become even more important in the future. PAIL created specific standards for communication with irrigation equipment to make more efficient use of valuable water and electricity resources. ADAPT is an open source project to help solve the problem of different file types and formats. This project resulted in software being developed within AgGateway, which is not always the case with our projects. The goal of ADAPT is interoperability. That is, to make it easy to move the appropriate data from machine to and from farm management software, and also from software to other software. Farmers can then focus their efforts on creating insights from the data and not just on moving the data from one place to another. You will hear a lot more detail about these projects that provide benefits to members in the upcoming webinars. If you received an invitation from GoToWebinar, you will receive invitations to the next 3 webinars. If you want a reservation for yourself or a colleague, please send a request to member.services@aggatewayglobal.net. Copies of this and future webinars will be posted to the AgGateway Global Network YouTube channel. Translations of this webinar in Portuguese and Spanish will be posted on our website, www.aggatewayglobal.net. Thank you for your kind attention. Your participation in AgGateway Latin America will help to make the organization strong.
Thanks for presenting, Rod, and thank you for watching this video. AgGateway Global Network has several other videos, and I invite you to explore them. Thanks again, and goodbye.